we have another relay. That's it. This is its connector. We don't want our board to be big, a lot big, so we put it here and select these two and align it from bottom. Let's hit A on your keyboard and align bottom, so it will be aligned together. Let's hit 3 on your keyboard. You see they are exactly aligned. There is a little space, and that's good. Let's bring its relays, and what we should do, we should rotate it, and again no, that's our connector, so let's just put this connector, because this is this connector. Let's just put it there and align bottom. That's okay. I think click it and hold Control and press arrow key left. That's good. I think its location is good. Align bottom it is, and change its direction. Let's just tools, cross probe, click here, and you can see it here. Click hold Control and select it, and hit X on your keyboard and put it there again. Update your PCB and execute changes. See, everything is okay. So I wanted this to be aligned with this, so select both of these and hit A on your keyboard and align, choose align top, so it will be aligned with top of each other. So select this and this and align horizontal center. Reference is this, so that's okay. It is, these two is so much alike now. Let's just hit, you see those two is so much alike. And now you see this is for our input, but our input maybe shouldn't have this big connection. What we can do about it? Maybe if we change its footprint, it won't be beautiful because we have these two connection, but let's just use this, and after that we just change it if we want. Put it there and select both of them, align bottom, so it is okay, and let's put grid to something like this, and select it and hold Control and arrow left, so we go to left until it gives us, when it is green, it is error, so that's good. You see that is the same position. No, I think this is what we want for here, and we can select it from a schematic and then bring it here. So in here we want to put another screw, so what we should do, we should just select this and align it to top, align top. Because this is locked, we can't do anything to it, so unlock it and then align it, align top, so this is aligned now. And let's just make it smaller, click here and just put it here. I think it's good now. Select this no, I wanna this to be 5 millimeter from the middle of this, so I should set origin here in the middle of this, and change location of this location for x should be 5, and end of it, location of x end should be 5 as well. And you see, this is a start and this is end. All end at a start should be 5 for x. Okay, and for here you see that you can change it. And this button, you can select it and change it to the new dimension. That's no okay. So let's just again go to tools, origin, set origin, and select. It's not selecting this. Why it's not selecting it? Let's just hit tab here, so we select all this board outline and go to design board shape and define from selected. You see, now we can go to edit, origin, set origin, and select edge of the board. We can now see the location of this, so it should be -5 in here. No, it's identical to this here. So let's just select all of these and lock its location. That's okay. We want just this much of the board. We don't want anything more, because this connection and relays is deciding what is our limitation in PCB area. When a PCB area is bigger, it will be so much expensive. So let's just put this last screw, select this and align it. Let's just unlock its location and unlock this location as well, because we want to select it this and this and this, and we want to hit A and align right, align right. This is not aligning. Shift, align right. Let's just align it in center, align horizontal center. It's not working. Why it's not working? Let's just see. Its location is locked. I forgot to unlock it. So again, select this, align right, so it is okay. And again, select this and this, align bottom. You can just hit B on your keyboard to align bottom, so it is now okay. If you set origin here, it will be -5 edit origin, set here. You see, it should be -5 and it should be -5. No, y is 5 and x is -5, so it is okay. Let's just bring back our origin to here, and just for now we should like their location. That's good. And bring back our origin here, so we have our board. You see, this is our board, and we should use it.